What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you a simple method on how to draw Goku from Dragon Ball Z. So let's grab some paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson along the bottom center of our page with the brow. We'll start on the left side. Let's draw a curve coming down and then up. And then on the side, it's going to curve the brow coming in and then up on either side. Let's go to the center, draw a short line going up. Now from these 2 points, we're going to curve the brow going up and out on either side. So let's start with the left. I'm going to go up and then bend that out. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing, going out towards the same height. Let's flatten off the end of the eyebrow with an angled line going up and in. And then we're going to taper the eyebrow so it gets narrower as you come in towards the inside of the brow. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now from the outside corner of the eyebrows, let's step in and curve the eyes, coming down and then bending that in towards the bottom. And I'm going to bend the bottom of the eye, coming in and then down. And we'll angle this up and in underneath the brow. Now I'm going to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyebrow. On the left side, let's draw a half circle. I'm going to come down and then up. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. And we'll fill the eyes in black. Now in the center, we're going to step down, draw a straight line coming down towards the tip of the nose. Angle this up and out towards the left and right side. And it'll connect the top and the left side with a straight line. Now just underneath the tip of the nose, let's add a curve for the mouth. We're going to go up and then down. And just curl up the corners of the mouth on either side. Let's go back to the center, step down and draw a short line going across the lower lip. Now directly underneath each eye, we're going to add some shading. On the left, come in and then down, step back about halfway, come down, draw another curve. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting from the inside and working our way out. Now you want to move out to the side and draw the head coming down towards the jaw. Let's start from the bottom corner of the eyebrow, step out, angle this down, and then in towards the jaw with a straight line. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing, going down towards the same height. Now you want to round out the jaw, come down and in with a straight angled line towards the chin. Let's round out the chin, go across, and then up towards the right. Now from the top of the head, let's draw in the ears. Let's start on the left side, bend the ear going up and then out on both sides. I'm going to round out the ear, come down and just pull that in toward the side of the head. Let's add a fold on the top of the ear. You're going to step down, go up and out, and just come down the side. Let's go back to the inside of the ear and add a hook, coming out and then in. Now you want to add those thick bands of hair going across the forehead. Let's start from the inside of the ear, step down, curve this up around the eye, and then in. Let's add one coming down and in towards the left eye. Go up and across towards the top right. Let's come down towards the right eye and then bend that in. Go out and then up. And I'll just pull this down towards the right ear. Now to help with the placement of the spikes around the head, we're going to add a large circle around the top. Let's start on top of the left ear, curve this around, go up and in towards the middle, come across towards the right, and then bend that in on top of the right ear. Now with that circle in place, it'll be easier to add in those spikes. From the center of the head, let's move over towards the right, bend this up and across towards the middle, and add a bend, going out and over towards the left. Let's bring that back in and then down on top of the head. Let's add another spike. from the bottom, bend this up and over. Add another bend going out towards the end. And we'll curve this in and then down towards the side of the head. Set another spike, going up and out. Bend this out and then down. And I just want to pull this in towards the side of the ear along the top. Now I'm going to line up this curve on the right side. So let's start from the ear, bend this up and then out. Curve this in towards the side of the head. Let's add 2 smaller spikes along the side of the ear. Starting from the left, bend this out and down. Now I'm just going to bend this in towards the side of the ear. And do the same thing on the right. Now adding 1 smaller spike along the side. From the earlobe, bend this out and down. And then come in and then down towards the jaw. Now I'm going to add that strand in the center of the head. Starting from this point, go across, and then down. Now that we have the shape of the hair in place, let's add in those highlights. We're going to start from the tip of this spike, taper this out, and then down. And I just want to pull this down towards the top of our circle. Let's do the same thing along the side. In, and bend that back down. Let's move over towards the side and do the same thing. We'll add 1 more highlight along the bottom. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Starting from the tip, taper this in, move down and draw that again. Let's add the highlights across the bangs. Starting from this point, move this up and out, then just taper down towards the bottom tip. Let's move over. Draw a slightly longer line going up and out. Towards the bottom, move over and do that again. Now from here we're just going to bend this down and then in. Now we want to go back in with a thick black marker and fill the inside of the hair. Let's start at the top. Now this is going to help remove that center line across the top of the head. And once we finish filling in the rest of the hair, we'll be sure to sign out our work and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a portrait illustration of Goku from Dragon Ball Z. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.